Guys, Jonathan again. Air raid again. This is life. The message is basically saying, let's air raid. There's threat incoming, weapons, artillery, missiles. So, I'll show you nighttime. Same thing, guys. This is the norm now. It's normal life every day in Ukraine. This is how it is. People just live their lives. I stand here with Ukraine. Gloria Ukrainia, Slavia Ukrainia. I hear curfew. I tried to get a minute video, yeah. Had nothing happen, so. Alright guys, take care. I'm fine. I'll hit you up again another day or tonight. God forbid something happens. Okay, well there's the end of the air raid siren, thank God. Alright, have a good night or day. Bye.